Hi, I'm Luiza, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a crab using the origami technique. I'm using a 17 centimeters by 17 centimeters square, but you can use a bigger or a smaller piece depending on the size you want your crab to be. If you enjoy this kind of videos, I hope you consider joining my community or giving me a super thanks, as it helps me grow my channel and keep doing this tutorial for you. Let me know in the comments if you have any requests on what origami animals you would like to see next. If you enjoy this kind of videos, I hope you consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!